Hello, friends! In this video, you will learn the meaning of abide and abide by. Abide. Abide means to accept, follow, or obey a rule, decision, or law. Let's use abide in sentences. 1. We must abide by the rules. 2. She abides by her promises. 3. They agreed to abide by the decision. Meaning of abide by. Abide by means to follow or obey rules, laws, or decisions. Let's use abide by in sentences. 1. Students must abide by school rules. 2. We should abide by the law. 3. He agreed to abide by the decision. Click on the end screen videos to learn more English vocabulary. Thanks for watching this video.